Have you tried any posture correctors before? We are a manufacturer for many different types of posture correctors for more than 15 years now. We even have our products in TikTok, Amazon, we have it in Wish, and many other types of online stores. We have made thousands of pieces of posture correctors every single day. You don't know, maybe even your favorite posture correctors are made by us. You can see here, these are the ones that our clients really like. These are store favorites. And this one right here is actually my personal favorite. It's very comfortable. It's like you can even adjust like this padding right here. And even right here, this part, the Velcro, it's extendable. Like the one I'm wearing, kid you not, look at this, guys. Look at the back. It can help with your posture. You just have to pull on the strap and then you guys can see there. Your back is straight. We also do provide OEM and OEM services, so if you like to customize the products, we're also able to do so. Even the packaging is customizable. We have a wide variety of packagings right here, so if you'd like to have one with a zipper like this, right, we can customize it for you guys. Even add in your logo, your brand name, whatever you want on the packaging, we can do that for you. This is actually one of our older styles. This was popular back 10 to 15 years ago, and you guys can see this is one of the older back correctors, but right now our popular styles are the ones that are here placed on the table. Now I want to ask you guys a question. Have you tried our posture correctors before? What are your feedbacks? What can you tell us about the product? What are your experiences? Let me know right here in the comment section below right there if you want to know more tips and want to see our videos. Be sure to click the link below right there.